All right, the next one we're going to learn is contraposition. That's what it's called in the book. Sometimes it's called a contrapositive, but I'll just call it contraposition here. Contraposition. Okay, contraposition. Kind of a long word, so it fills up a lot. Anyway, contraposition, what is it? Well, to state it, I want to give a little bit of, teach you a symbol. There's a symbol, the squiggly line. The squiggly line just means not. Okay? Now with that in mind, the contrapositive of if P then Q is going to be this. If not Q, then not P. Okay? So what you've done is we switched the order and then we added a negation. Okay, we switched the order, add a negation. Okay, so let's take if Max is a pug and Max is a dog. Let's switch the order and add the negation. So how does that look? Then it turns into this. If, well, Q is Max is a dog and we're negating it. So if Max is not a dog, okay, then, well, P is Max is a pug, we're doing negation, so then Max is not a pug. Okay. So this sentence is the contrapositive of this, or the contraposition of it. And if you look at it, just in the same way that this is true, if something's a pug, then it's a dog, this is also true. If something's not a dog, then it's not a pug. Okay, it kind of makes sense, right? And notice you can have an if and a then there. You don't have to do anything with them. Think back to switch, which we just learned. With switch, you switch it, but then you have to put an if in the middle and take the if then. So if you're converting if P then Q to Q if P, if you switch it, you got to take the if then out and then replace it with an if, and then vice versa. Okay. With contraposition, you're switching it, but if you're having an if then you got to negate it. Okay. Now, it's useful just to think through how if we didn't if we didn't do the switch, whether it'd still be true. So look at this sentence. If Max is not a pug, then Max is not a dog. Okay, notice how these mean different things. Okay, this one, if you're not a pug, then you're not a dog. Well, that doesn't follow. I mean, you could be a Cocker Spaniel. Okay, Max might be a Cocker Spaniel, but so it doesn't follow that if Max is not a pug, then Max is not a dog. Max could be a beagle, a golden retriever, whatever. But this is true. If Max is not a dog, then Max is not a pug. Okay, so there you got where we got our contrapositive or contraposition down, and we got 3 ways that we are saying all the same thing with if P then Q. Okay. One more to go.